Filter replacement. CUCKOO's under-sink water purifier has two different versions, one featuring 3 filters and the other with 5 filters. If you own the 3-stage filtration water purifier, your product will come with a pre-carbon block 3.0 filter, a reverse osmosis filter, and a natural 3.0 filter. The version with a 5-stage filtration comes with 2 additional sediment filters for a more fine filtration. The average lifespan of each filter is different. The pre-carbon block 3.0 filter will need to be replaced for every 2,400 liters filtered. The reverse osmosis and natural 3.0 filters need to be replaced after 3,600 liters are dispensed. The sediment filter is 1,200 liters, and the sediment 3.0 filter is 2,400 liters. Here are the step-by-step instructions on how to change your purifier's filters. Step 1. Turn the faucet valve from closed to open. Drain out all the remaining water in the water storage tank. Step 2. On the side of the product, find the filter valve. Turn it in the open direction and detach the side cover. Step 3. Lift and remove the old filter from the water purifier. Install the new filter in the appropriate order. Step 4. After completing the filter replacement, close the side cover and allow water to pass through the water faucet. Water can pass only if the lever is open. Close the water storage tank valve when flushing the filters and open it once completed. Note that each filter has different lifespan, so you will not be replacing all the filters at one time.